On this video, I'm going to reproduce the style of Sebastian from Black Butler. To do this haircut, I'm going to separate the front part from the back area. This style is basically a graduated bob. So for sure, this is one of those styles that is unisex. To cut the sides, I'm going to cut a diagonal forward going from behind the ear to the front. Using the freeform cutting technique with the razor, go from the back to the front. After I'm done with the area with the less hair, I'm going to go to the area that has more hair. On this side, as you can see, I'm not going all the way to the front. I want to make sure I preserve enough length of the front area so I can do my frame. On this case, I'm going to start the frame on the point of the nose. To cut that positive angle on the back or graduation, I'm going to use the condensed cutting technique with the twin combs. As you can see, I'm condensing all the hair on the center with the combs and I'm cutting from the top to the bottom. This is a very effective way to cut graduations on the back of the head. To continue the graduation, use the same technique on the right side and the left side. You can detail the neck however you prefer. On this case, I'm using the freeform cutting technique with a razor. Take your time to blow dry the hair into the style that you want. In this case, to get the ends to go under, I'm using a round brush. Once the hair is completely styled, you can use the texturizing shears to give it more shape and direction to the ends. Use this technique going around all the layers on the haircut. Now you can see me using the condensed cutting technique with the twin combs on the sides going from short to long to give it a little more layers. Also just use a little bit of wax and hairspray to give it a little more definition and direction to those ends so you can make it a little more messy. This style of haircut is going to look great with any face type. If your face is too round, don't give it a lot of volume on the sides. And if your neck is too long, don't do this haircut. You will end up looking like a microphone. I think he's happy with the style.